welcome. We are now here in the NULP Senior High School booth para sa ating NULP Open House. And today I am with
Wilson Arellano.
Okay, so Wilson, kumusta or how is your stay here at NU Las Piñas so far?
My stay has actually been very wonderful. It's been great. I've experienced very wonderful things. I've experienced new things po here sa NU. And I think nahon naman po mga capabilities ko dito sa school na to. Parang I stepped out of my comfort zone po talaga.
Okay, thank you so much, Wilson.
Thank you po.
Hi, my name is 𝗓𝗏𝗏 I am the secretary of the ABM Sphere.
How is your stay at NU Las Piñas so far?
My stay at NU Las Piñas, it's been really good so far. I've met a lot of wonderful people and the environment is very great. I've really enjoyed my stay dito and I have learned a lot of new things and I've learned how to come out of my shell talaga.
I'd like to invite them to enroll at ABM.
Yes, of course. Welcome. For anyone who's interested in starting a business or being your own boss, or if you want to sell any kinds of products, you can do so dito sa ABM Sphere. Kasi dito sa ABM, we're all about numbers and connections.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me po, miss.
Yeah. Tell us something about your booth today.
Okay, so basically our booth is all about helping people who are in need. We organize a donation drive here in school. Tapos nalabas din po kami for outreach programs, and yes, we have upcoming events rin.
It's pretty good actually kasi nandito naman po kami sa performing arts and a lot of us here really want to show our talents sa iba and sa lahat na rin, of course, since we have an upcoming stage play rin po open for everyone. It's called New Yorker in Tondo po, so it's happening on February 20, so stay tuned lang po. Ipapost lang po siya sa NULP page po, so wait for further announcements na lang po.
Yes, don't miss this out, guys. New Yorker in Tondo. See ya!
Okay, hi everyone. Once again, I'm Andrea Ebuen and I'm here to introduce you to our school organization in Nationalian. So with our tagline, Basta Dax, Inka Dito Nationalian. So it's a school organization where students can show their passion for dancing. So in Nationalian has been constantly active po. We've been training with one another and also we've performed various intermissions during school events here at NU Las Piñas.
And I believe parang mag-join kayo ng contest sa Alps, di ba?
Yes po. So this upcoming January 31, Nationalian has selected members who will participate in the upcoming Alps Pop Dance Competition po. It will be held here at SM South Mall as well at the events hall po. So please support us.
Yeah, don't miss this out.
Hello, my name is 𝗓𝗏𝗏. I am the Finance Committee and Excel Assistant of our Student Council Government here in NU Las Piñas Senior High School Department. So my stay here in NU Las Piñas so far has been doing great. It has been a wild experience because of these new experiences and such that one of my favorite here is the Sky Garden. Pwede tumambay there after class anytime you want, basta until 5 p.m. po.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Guys, you can enjoy our Sky Garden talaga. So, punta na kayo dito sa NU Las
Ika dito, pwede pa.
Yay!
Tapos yun po, madami po mga opportunity para sa mga iba't ibang hobbies po ng mga tao tulad na lamang ng ako po, mahilig po ako sa music, gano'n. So, meron po silang pa-event dito na which is nakakatugtog po kami as a band, gano'n. So, meron po yan sa arts, katulad naman po dito po sa aming club na Prayer Facilitator Society, nakakatulong po kami as students na mag-encourage sa mga ibang students to open up kapag meron silang problema. So, yun po yung para sa akin.
Thank you so much!
STEM Genesis po.
Okay, and we are here with
Zoe Tal.
Alright, so Zoe, tell us, how is your stay here at NU Las Piñas so far?
Very stressful po, but also very rewarding. I've made many friends here po, and okay naman po. I like it here.
Yeah! Yes. It's very meaningful. Kahit maraming ginagawa, di ba?
Yes po.
Because that will make you stronger.
Yes.
Alright. How is your stay here at NU Las Piñas so far?
So far, it's been good po and it's been a lot of fun lately. And ngayon po na may event, it's been a blessing na nangyari po tong event na po to for senior high school.
Yay! Thank you so much! Enroll here at NU Las Piñas.